Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Trip Archive. Today is the day 4 of our trip Azerbaijan. Right now we are heading to Baku from Shahdag.
But every trip has that one moment when the story takes a turn.
This is the condition of our tire on our way from Shahdag. How we are traveling to Baku.
And just like that, we had finally arrived at Baku.
Our next day stay, holiday in Baku. Now we are checking in.
View from 11th floor. With the Caspian Sea.
So now from our room we can see Caspian Sea.
It's day 4 at Azerbaijan and right now 4:30 p.m. and we are exploring the city by walk. You can see the Caspian Sea just right beside me and the weather is very pleasant.
So this spot is basically called Mini Venice because of its architecture. Looks kinda similar like Venice, and there you can see the boat rides, so you can hire the boat and have a ride.
From here we can see multiple spots. There you can see the Danish Mall. This is Carpet Museum and here is the Flame Tower.
Now we are heading towards Highland Park through those stairs to witness the best sunset of this city. The sunset is in 12 minutes. Let's go!
Chalo, chalo, chalo.
Behind me, this is Flame Tower. So Azerbaijan is called the land of fire, and this architecture symbolizes that.
You can see the entire cityscape. You can see the boulevard, Carpet Museum, Danish Mall, Baku Eye, and obviously the Flame Tower. Today is the last day in Baku and we are heading to old city of Baku. That is the only part left in our trip to explore. So let's go.
Good morning everyone. So today we are now in old city of Baku and this is the Maiden Tower.
On one side, it's all glass buildings, wide boulevards, very modern vibes. But take a few steps further, and the mood completely changes. You enter Icherisheher, Baku's old city. These narrow stone streets are almost 1,000 years old, once part of the Silk Road, where traders, travelers, and cultures crossed paths. You will see the Maiden Tower, still mysterious, with legends nobody fully agrees on, and the palace of Srivanshas, home of the ruler who shaped this city. What I love is how effortlessly Baku holds both worlds, the modern outside and the history quietly breathing within.
Now we'll have lunch here. Let's go. We are having lunch in old city of Baku itself.
So this is basically sweet pulao, basically pulao with apricots and chicken. This is chicken steak with barbecue sauce, and as usual the complimentary bread.
Time is around 5 p.m. and now finally we are heading towards airport, and this marks the end of our trip, end of our vlog. See you in another vlog. Goodbye.